My name is Diana Ramirez, and today's topic is rounding fractions. The chapter in the textbook is Chapter 6, page 298. Age group would be 5th grade, 20 kids. What the student should know will be understanding what a fraction is, know what a fraction looks like, they must be able to round whole numbers, and they must be able to understand a number line. The objective of this lesson is that students will be able to correctly round numbers in fractional form. Good afternoon, class. Did everyone have a good lunch?
No, not really.
Why not?
We had fish sticks.
Oh, I'm sorry. But I think you are having pizza tomorrow, so that'll be a lot better than fish sticks. Anyway, I have good news for you all today. We're going to learn about rounding fractions.
Boo!
Okay, come on. It's not that bad. Okay, let's start off with a little review. Can anyone tell me what a numerator is? Jenny.
Is it the top number of a fraction?
Correct. Can anyone tell me what the bottom number of the fraction is called? Lexi.
Bottominator?
No, but nice try.
Denominator.
Very good. You guys do remember this. I'll go ahead and tell you guys that a numerator is the number of parts, and the denominator is the number of parts that equal a whole. A quick hint to remember which is which is to remember that north and numerator both start with the letter N, so they both go on top. And denominator and down both start with the letter D, so they go on the bottom. Now, let me ask you some questions to see if I can spark your memories. My pizza had a total of 8 slices. My brother ate 3 slices. And my sister ate 2 slices. I ate 2 slices. My brother ate 3 slices. And my sister ate 2. How many slices did my sister and I eat all together as a fraction? Lexi.
4/8 or half the pizza?
Very good. I thought I could trick you guys, but I guess you're too good for that. You ignore the pieces my brother ate, so you just put ours together and you see that it's half the pizza. Okay. Very good. Now, let's get started with today's lesson. Okay, class. The easiest way that I can explain this is with a number line. I'm going to hand you each a handout so you can better visualize rounding as a fraction.
Thank you.
Once you've written your name at the top, I'm going to need some volunteers to come up to write examples on the board. You can also use that handout for future problems. Jocelyn. Oh. Ooh. There you go. Write 1/2. Write a fraction equal to 1/2 above the number line. Very good. Now, can you write a fraction that equals 1? Good. Now, can you write a fraction that equals 0? Very good. Okay, now that you have that concept, let's practice a little. Where on the number line would the number 14/15 go?
behind the number 1?
Yes. Now why is that?
Because it is less than 1 since the numerator is 14 and not like 15 like the bottom.
Yes. If both numbers were the same, they would equal 1. But since it's 14 instead of 15, it's still less than 1. Okay, I have a treat for you guys. If you guys can tell me how many cups of M&Ms I need for this recipe, then you guys can each have some. This recipe makes one batch of M&Ms, one batch of M&M cookies, and it calls for 2 3/4 cups of M&Ms. How many cups of M&Ms do I need to make 3 batches of cookies? Keep in mind that having M&Ms left over is better than having too little. Lexi.
So does that mean to round up?
Yes. You guys are awesome. Now, as a class, you need to come to a decision on what the right answer is. Now, go. Jessa.
You will need 9 cups of M&Ms to make 3 batches of cookies.
Very good. You all get M&Ms before class is over. Now, let's play a game to finish off this lesson. The rules of this game are fairly simple. You divide into 2 teams, and each person is given a card. On one side, you have a fraction, and on the other side, you have a whole number. You must find your match on the other side of the room. For example, I have a card with the number 7/8 on it. So I am going to search for the number 1, since 7/8 rounds up to number 1. But be careful. Someone could end up getting your match. The partners who match correctly will be awarded 1 point per match throughout the game. We play until it's almost time to go. Is everybody ready?
Yes.
Okay, let me get you your cards.
I have a question.
Yes.
Can we round up and down?
Yes, that's what's going to make it tricky. Here's your card.
Thank you.
Now start looking for your match.
I can't find my match.
Okay, what fraction do you have?
2/9.
Okay, let's think of the number line. Look. Got 2/9. Is 2 9s closer to 0, half, or 1?
Oh, it's closer to half?
No, not quite. Okay, think of the number 0. And the fraction 0/9 is equal to 0, right?
Yes.
So 1/9 would be just a little bit bigger than 0, right?
Yes. Oh, okay, I get it now. 2/9 is closer to 0 than it is to half.
Very good. Now, go find your matching partner. Very good. You guys figured out your numbers very quickly. Great job, everyone. I think everyone earned some bonus points today. Now, let's go back to your seats. You guys did awesome. Who can tell me what they learned today? Lexi.
We learned how to round fractions.
Yes, and what numbers do you want the fractions to round to?
0, half, or 1.
Very good. So
when will we use fractions in real life?
you use fractions in real life almost every day. You just don't realize it. In recipes like the M&M one we used in class today. Or you and your families have probably used fractions at the grocery store or just shopping in general. Let's say some apples are on sale for $10 for $10. but your mom only has $5. How would she figure out how many apples she could take? With fractions, of course, you can conclude that 5 is half of 10. So you can take 5 apples for $5. Does that answer your question?
Yes, thank you.
You guys did great today. I know fractions can be a little intimidating, but you guys had no problem at all. Tomorrow we'll be adding to this to make it a little harder.
Okay, bye.
Wait, class, you forgot your M&Ms.
Oh,